Hello, and welcome back to Online Art. Today we're going to start drawing the rough draft for our comic book. This is taking the story that you've written and turning it into a bunch of panels that visually tell that same story. Um, so I'm providing you guys with a template, and you're more than welcome to use this template like I'm using. But also, if you don't want it, you don't have to use it. You can go ahead and create your own panels from scratch. Uh, but what we have with the template is 3 by 3 panels, uh, and you can combine these panels or divide the panels in different ways. They're very light guidelines, so you can go right over them. And if you want those 3 squares in a row, you can absolutely outline that and use that as the panel. Like you can see, I like you can see in my top panel, where I've combined 3 of those boxes into one super wide panel. I thought that would be a good way to show like a landscape in my opening setting. So this first rough draft that we're doing here um, is very quick and sketchy. Uh, it's okay to erase and go back and get rid of a drawing if it's not working, but uh, we mostly just want to find a good way to pencil in all of the plot points and everything that you want to happen in your story without being super attached like it's the final version yet. This is a place to sort of experiment and find out what's the best way to tell the story. It's also a good time to figure out all of your dialogue, uh, put in those speech bubbles, any thought bubbles, any narration, and get that really fleshed out before we get to the final draft. Um, it's also a good time to see what sort of onomatopoeia you want to include. That would be those big letters, like how I wrote crash down there at the bottom. Big block letters that are sort of sound effects throughout the comic. You guys can see I'm drawing very quick and sketchy because I really just want to get those basic ideas in and then figure out what's going to work and what's going to look best for telling my comic story. And if I need to move anything around or fix anything space wise, now's a great time to do it before I get to that final version.